I have two 2-year-old loquats in containers on my porch. As long as they are watered, they aren't stressed. Can they be container grown on my front deck? The ceiling height is 8 feet, and this is from Donna in Holly Springs. All right, Miss Donna. So, you know a little bit about loquat.
I do. I have loquats in my yard, and they're trees. You know, they're one of the most beautiful broadleaf evergreens that we have in the South, but they're not winter hardy, much further north than this. But I have them, and this is for her in Holly Springs, I have them in my yard in Corinth, which is a little bit north of Holly Springs. So, but I have them on the south side of my house, so they're protected. But they bloom like in December, and they will not set fruit because the blooms will, you know, the frost will get them. So if she's expecting fruit, it's not going to happen. But they're beautiful for the way they look. But if she wants to grow them in containers on her back porch, which is very pretty, she'll have to keep cutting the top out because they're a tree. They're going to get big. Yeah. You know, so she could try maybe putting a couple out in the yard, putting them on the south side where they're kind of protected from the winter winds, and the ground doesn't get just really cold like up against the house, like you do a fig tree.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
But
Makes
yeah,
sense.
they're beautiful, and I love mine. And they smell so good when they bloom, but you know, they'll always freeze. Never get any fruit. I have a friend that grows them in Starkville. He gets fruit every year. Wow. Makes me mad.
In looking at her picture, and she says it does well when it's watered, and it gets to be a tree. I'm thinking the size of container she has is a little too small for it.
She needs to go
so
up,
I would just go up in size with our container, so that and I would put some soil moist crystals in it, you know, to help retain the moisture in the container, so maybe she won't have to water it so much.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.